Hi everyone, so today I'm going to talk a little bit about our Ishga Exfoliating Mask. Definitely a favourite particularly with our therapists, and that is because we can see such immediate and very visible results even from the first use with this mask. So be assured, using this even from the first time, you will notice a real glow and a real difference in the texture of your skin. This can actually be used two ways, so we recommend a twice weekly mask, and it's just a case of simply patting about a 10 pence piece size onto the skin, so over the face and the neck, leaving for around 10 minutes, so perhaps in a warm bath, and then just taking warm water or, for best results, the Ishga cleanser, placing that onto the mask and then just massaging into the skin. Wash off and then you will see the results for yourself. With the ingredients here, we have of course our seaweed extract, and we also have a very powerful, if you can see here, sea kelp. So kelp powder is renowned for being very detoxifying, and the reason for that is because it speeds up blood circulation and metabolism. So anything with kelp, as soon as you apply this to the skin or the body, it will increase your circulation, your lymphatic system, and that in turn gives the skin a lovely glow, brightening, and brings all the nutrients and blood to the surface. So if you're finding your skin slightly dull or grey or dry, this is why you will get that nice glow and nice brightening of the skin because of the kelp powder. Within the mask, we also have our rose geranium oil. So you definitely get a strong seaweed scent of the mask because you have, of course, the marine extract there. But with the rose geranium oil, you get that lovely calming and balancing smell, particularly good for slightly hormonal skin, slightly sensitive skin. So as you can see there, it's very easy to apply and you just need a small amount. You don't need to apply too much. So this product does last for a long time if you use it in the correct manner. With your kelp powder, what will happen is as soon as you start to massage that off into the skin, you will effectively detox the skin. So you will get the ingredients and the nutrients of the seaweed penetrate into the skin cells, and then you will get the brightening, glowing effect. What many people do is they tend to not exfoliate their skin enough. So what they are doing is applying a lot of product over dead skin cells. So where you have dead skin cells and debris, you're never going to get the best skincare results because you have to exfoliate or get rid of any dead skin cells or debris in order for your skincare regime to work. So exfoliation is probably one of the most important aspects of skincare. Again, you can use this daily with your Ishga cleansing lotion, or even just with a tiny bit of water in the shower, just applying onto the face, massage in and wash off. You will notice again a great difference in using it weekly or daily, and it can be either or. With the rose geranium, again, that helps just to soothe and calm the skin, any hormonal skin, and with the seaweed effect, you will have the brightening and the anti-aging boost as well. We have found that using this, due to the kelp, it has been excellent in repairing scar tissue. So anyone with acne scarring or damaged skin, we find that over time we've had some really good results with the kelp and the seaweed because it's very, very powerful and very active within this product. That you will start to notice a slight tightening of the skin, a slight reduced appearance of any scar tissue, and again that's due to the fatty acids and the polyphenols, and also the added benefit of the kelp, which is the very detoxing part of the seaweed. So thank you for listening. Bye bye.